Hey guys, it's AJ with Dad Jobs. So, are you guys someone with one of these cheap handheld pump sprayers? They work, but at least in my experience, they could break pretty easily. And this one, the pressure relief is completely gone, so now I can't use this one. I ran up to Ace Hardware to get a new sprayer, and I picked up this Ace Hardware hand pump sprayer, which should be able to do the job right as I was about to do this concrete ceiling for my walkway. Seal this concrete patio or concrete walkway, and let you know if it's a good product for your job. It does look a little bit better quality already with the tube and the tank and the pump. Looks a little more better quality. Let's put it to use and I'll show you how well it will work for you today. Also, this channel is powered by you guys, the moms, dads, and DIYers out there. If you could, give us a subscribe, help support our channel, and we greatly appreciate it. Now I'll show you the performance of this sprayer. Let's go. And then once you do that, you can hold it by pushing it in and turning it. In terms of everything, I'd probably give this product a 5 out of 5. I don't see really any drawbacks. 5 hammers out of 5 hammers. Great score for this Ace Hardware Home and Garden pump sprayer. Thanks guys. Again, if this was helpful, please comment down below. Let us know. Thanks for all the dads, moms, and DIYers out there. We do this for you. All right, you can do it. Now get to it. We'll see you soon.